Hello viewers, good morning and welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to solve this problem. If 25 raised to the power x plus 25 raised to the power minus x is equal to 62, what is the value of 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power minus x? Here we have to find the value of this expression by using this equation. It's a problem of exponent and power. So now we're going to solve this problem by using some of the rules of exponent and power. So let's begin the solution. Here, this is the given relation 25 raised to the power x plus 25 raised to the power minus x is equal to 62. And by using this relation, we have to calculate the value of this expression. So this is question mark. We have to calculate the value of 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power minus x. And to calculate the value of the given expression, let us use the given expression. First of all, we are going to raise the given expression to the power 2. So it becomes 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power minus x whole square. Now we have to expand it in the right hand side. And to expand it, we can use this algebraic relation, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Here also, this is in the form of a plus b whole square. So it becomes square of the first term plus square of the second term plus 2 into product of the first term and the second term. Square of the first term is 5x raised to the power 2. Second term is 5 raised to the power minus x square. This is square, this is square, plus 2 into product of the first term and second term. 2 into 5 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power minus x. In the right hand side, this is equal to 2 into the product of the first and the second terms. In the next line, it becomes 5 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 can be written as 5 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x. Similarly, the second term also becomes 5 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus x. Plus, in the third term, 5 raised to the power x into 5 raised to the power minus x becomes 5 raised to the power x minus x. So this is equal to 5 square is 25 raised to the power x, and this is also equal to 25 raised to the power minus x, plus 2 into 5 raised to the power x minus x is 5 raised to the power 0. And the value of 5 raised to the power 0 is 1. And now 25 raised to the power x plus 25 raised to the power minus x plus 2 ones are 2. Here the value of this expression is given, which is equal to 62. So now we're going to substitute this with 62 here. So it becomes 62 plus 2, which is equal to 64. Now this is equal to 64. 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power minus x square is equal to 64. And now in the next line, we can write 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power minus x whole square is equal to 8 square. Now these two expressions are equal and they have same exponents, so their bases must be equal. So this is equal to this. So now what we get is 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power minus x is equal to 8. And this is the solution to this problem. Therefore, the value of 5 raised to the power x plus 5 raised to the power minus x is 8. So guys, this much for today, and thank you very much for watching this video. And if you like my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and also to drop your valuable comments in the comment section. Bye bye, take care, have a good time.